How to set up Binance Google Authenticator. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started without any further ado. First of all, open Binance app on your phone. Okay, here we go. Now on top, tap on this icon at the left corner. Okay, here we go. Now tap on your profile here. Okay, now tap on the option of Security. Now tap on the option of Authenticator app. Here we go. Now tap on Enable. Okay, now enter the verification code sent to your phone or email. Now copy this code and tap on Next. Now open Google Authenticator application. Then you can type any name for the account and then paste the code and tap on Add. Then just copy this code. Now just paste the code you have copied and tap on Submit. Now you can see that you have set two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator app to your Binance account. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.